Thank you to all of you for making your way to Jakarta for this event. We're really, really happy to have this finally come together. So I'm with the State Department's Bureau of East Asian and Pacific Affairs, Office of Multilateral Affairs. So we actually support all three of the partners at this event in different capacities.
We already have
that policy at the scale.
Another element of helping protect the business and its interests is we have an insurance provider that we're currently talking to. So they will insure our business, they understand the business model, and protect us against any default. So in the hopefully very unlikely event that some company defaults, we are protected and we only suffer X amount of fees.
So basically our go-to-market strategy, we target at all business and try to unlock our current agency patient pool, and the channel is digital marketing, influencer, and clinic partnership, and expand the website.
America's future lies in the Indo-Pacific. We know it right here in Southeast Asia. There's no more important part of the world.
This is one of our main program activities. I'll be doing a presentation on what this whole program is about, the different components. But I just wanted to welcome you all to Jakarta. We have a lot of people coming from different countries, and that's what this program is all about. Networking, helping connect between scientists and innovators, and help build those relationships to help advance science and technology and innovation in the region.